If I could, I'd rewind back the hands of time. Foul shit like when Poe shot Porter with his nine, like a child being blind to the ways of mankind. QB, the streets raised me, my whole state of mind. I just fall back, reminisce on this sometime. A lot of niggas pull snake moves, fuck it, it's their loss. Write it, I live it, then place my pivot in my Air Force. Credit get felon, 3 strikes, fighting these jail wars. Niggas going up north, we running in their horse. Inhaling, exhaling, smoking a swirl. Old head shooting boy gives a head sniff girl. Getting rocked on the block, you on point when you earl. When Shan and Marley Marl was touching the world touring, I pulled the jukes. That's how I got my first pair of Jordans. See, I never chose this life chose me. Ghetto apostle, soundtracks to the street.
It's time to unify the belt. Time is money, utilize your wealth. Fate is something you decide yourself. Life is what you make it, you remind yourself. If you forget it, in the end you define yourself. My name is spoken in places they weighing coke, and if action speaks louder than words, how the fuck do you explain these vocals? My fate is chosen in unison with my baby growing. Not facing numerous cases, them days are over. I shed enough tears to measure the rains of Noah. When they subside, it's clear I'm much wiser. Some rhyme are drug ties, but very few come out.